Will be mainly clear to start your day at 8 a.m. with 69 degrees. At noon, we'll be at 84 degrees with partly cloudy conditions, then a few isolated showers by 5 o'clock. They will be pretty limited, and it's going to continue to be breezy with some gusts over 20 miles per hour throughout the day on Wednesday. Here's Sandy in the Caribbean, and then Tropical Depression number 19, which I'm just not going to waste any time with because it's not a system that's going to get anywhere close to southwest Florida. But Sandy starting to make its way to the north-northeast now and pick up a little bit of speed. Winds at about 6 miles per hour. This is going to be a storm that passes over eastern Cuba, gets disorganized because of the mountains here, then gets into the Bahamas by the end of the week. At that point, it's going to be closest to us, probably late Thursday and Friday. That's when our weather is going to be the windiest. However, it doesn't look like this is going to be a system that brings us any real significant rainfall. However, it could be a strong tropical storm, even borderline Category 1 hurricane, as it makes its way through the Bahamas. Here's something interesting. By Friday, strong cold front that's going to be moving down into the southeast. That's the reason that Sandy's going to take that big turn to the right. As a matter of fact, our computer models are going to show you that here in just a minute. However, the long-term forecast, somewhat uncertain. Does it continue that right-hand turn, or does it make its way up the east coast of the United States? And if it followed the left side of that forecast track over the weekend, some of the rain associated with Sandy could affect the city of Detroit, where they're going to be playing the World Series. So that's a possibility. That's something I know a lot of the forecasters in the Great Lakes are going to be watching as we get to the end of the weekend beginning of next week. Here's StormPatrol Viper showing us a couple of showers off the east coast of Florida. Strong easterly wind indicated by those big arrows there. A couple of showers popping up in the afternoon tomorrow. More significant rain obviously to the south of us as Sandy is going to make its way over Cuba probably on Wednesday. Let's track it for you. There goes Sandy into the Bahamas. Look for rain in southwest Florida. You just don't see much. Doesn't look like Sandy's going to be close enough to do that. However, it is going to bring us significant winds. And then as we get to the later portion of the weekend, that cold front gets down to southwest Florida, and that's when things start to change for us temperature-wise big time. Northeasterly winds at 15 to 20 knots. We'll have isolated showers in the afternoon Wednesday and Thursday. Stays a little bit humid through Friday, but Friday is going to be a windy day for us. Breezy over the weekend with a Sunday cool front, bringing our morning temperatures down to the low 60s Monday and 59 by Tuesday. We'll start to see some of that drier air by Sunday afternoon, but the two most comfortable days are definitely going to be Monday and Tuesday for us. That's a look at your Storm Patrol forecast.